For this example, we're going to find the vertex f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 6. Now, because this is not in vertex form, we can do this one of two ways. We can either complete the square and put it in vertex form so that we can easily see the vertex, or we can use the vertex formula, which is x equals negative b over 2a. Now, I prefer this method because it's a little bit quicker. So b equals, our b is always our coefficient in front of x, so our b equals negative 3. And a equals the coefficient in front of x squared, so that would be a 1. Okay, so we can plug these into our formula. We have negative b is negative 3 over 2 times our 1 is a. Okay, so now these negatives can cancel out, and we'll have 3 over 2 times 1 is just 2. So our x-coordinate to our vertex is 3 over 2. Now, in order to find our y-coordinate, we can plug in 3 over 2 into our original function, and that will give us y. So f of 3 over 2 equals 3 over 2 squared minus 3 times 3 over 2 minus 6. Okay, so we can simplify this. 3 over 2 squared is the same thing as saying 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. 3 times 3 is 9. 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 9 over 4. Now negative 3, you can say that's negative 3 over 1. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. 1 times 2 is 2. Minus 6. Okay, now to add all of these fractions, you have to make sure that they have the same denominator. So I'm going to put this 6 over 1. The common denominator between 4, 2, and 1 is 4. So I'm going to multiply this by 2 on the top and the bottom, and I'm going to multiply this by 4 on the top and the bottom. So this becomes 9 over 4 minus 18 over 4 minus 24 over 4. And when I add all of those together, I get negative 33 over 4. And so that's our y-coordinate to our vertex. So I'm going to put that over here. So our vertex is 3 over 2, comma, negative 33 over 4. And that's our final answer.